Hey guys, this video is going to be on dependent life insurance, and just before we get started, I just want to point out it's my diploma. I paid a lot of money for this, so please believe me. And let's get started. So, dependent life insurance is basically, it's for people who have a kid, child, children, spouse. It's designed to cover expenses for when your spouse or your child dies. Like, this would cover like funeral costs, any type of fee that goes into, so like let's say your wife dies and your wife would normally look after the kid. So now you need someone to watch your child for you. You can use that money towards a babysitter, towards the funeral costs. You can use it towards, basically that's really what it is. The casket, the funeral service, all those type of things. So it's designed to cover those costs. You wouldn't see a dependent life insurance policy to have a coverage for a spouse of above $100,000. It's just not the case. A policy with a coverage of like over $50,000 for a child, usually not even over $35,000, because they're not necessarily the people who are, it's not covering like a salary. And if you were covering a salary, you would go for life insurance, quote. For instance, you, the man of the house, the woman of the house, the money maker, if you make like 50,000, you're gonna want 10 to 12 times your expenses. That's a whole other video. But dependent life insurance just covers basic fees when you die. But obviously, you, the person who died, you don't get the money. That doesn't work that way. But yeah, be sure to subscribe because this bad boy needs to get used.